Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use some of the ebook tools in Desitny. So after you log into BCPS1, you're going to click on digital content and then you're going to click on Desitny Library Catalog. From here you want to make sure that you pick Sparrows Point Middle/High School in the upper right. And that will take you to Desitny Discover. I'm going to do the book Clean Getaway because I really enjoyed this book. So I'm going to open it. And I'm going to go to a page with some text so that we can take a look at the ebook tools. When you click the menu in the upper left, you can see that you can go to offline content library. So if you've downloaded anything, you can go to there. You can go to a specific page. Here's the table of contents, the cover, title page, anywhere you want to go in the book. You just click on that and it'll take you right to that page. Close book is pretty self-explanatory. It will actually close the book. Up here in the upper right, we have book options. Lets you browse or check out the book. When you click on the display option up here, you can change the font, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can change the page layout from one page to two pages, and you can change the background color and text color to whichever is most helpful for you. You can play the book. Now, the only thing with the play is it is a robotic voice, so it's not going to be as good as a narrated book. You can change the speed from slower to faster. You can have it highlight words, sentences, or no highlights, and you can change the voice, the robotic voice that you hear. For bookmarks, you can add a bookmark to a page, so that makes it easier to get back to this page in the future. This next one lets you add highlights or notes. And what's great about this is the highlights or notes stick with this book even after you return it. So let's say you're working on a science project and you have a book and you take some notes down that go with the book, then you return the book and then you realize you need those notes back. When you open the book back up again, you will be able to get to your notes. This search right here lets you search for something in a book. I think this is also really helpful if you're working on a project, so you can search for a specific word or phrase. And this question mark at the very edge here, this will take you to Follett's help page. So if you have questions about things that I've showed you, they are right here on this help page. If you have questions, just email Miss Farrell in Schoology.